हाय गाइस। आज चलो सॉल्व करते हैं वो केस जिससे आई गॉट एन इंटर्नशिप एट BCG. So the case problem statement was a grocery player is experiencing declining profits year over year. So they have hired you as a consultant and they want to diagnose the reason why. So सबसे पहले कोई भी problem statement मिलता है तो मैं फटाफट हमेशा कुछ questions पूछती हूँ जिन्हें clarifying questions बोलते हैं. So here are my clarifying questions. Can you tell me a little bit more about this retail operator? Is this a single chain store, a supermarket? Is it a national or an international player, or is it a single neighborhood local player? Then is this profit has been declining year over year, or is this a recent phenomenon? Has the declining profit affected the other competitors as well, or is it an only our problem? So जब ये सारे questions के answers मुझे मिल गए that it is a local player which has only one store located in a neighborhood and it is in an urban location, so then I move forward with the case. So ये profitability का case है because declining profits हैं and सिर्फ हमारे साथ ये हो रहा है. So we will first split it into revenue minus cost. So या तो हमारा revenue decrease हो रहा होगा या हमारे cost increase हो रहे होंगे. So in this case हमारे revenue decrease हो रहे थे. So further breaking down the problem of revenue can be a problem of price into quantity into average basket size of goods. So in this particular case, the problem was the quantity. That is, the number of customers were getting lesser and lesser. So ये lower footfall की problem solve करने के लिए there were two ways that I looked at. First is a demand side issue and second is a supply side issue. So within demand side issue, the issue could be of consumer behavior or changing consumer preferences. Maybe the consumers are going to other competitors, or they are looking at buying online. And the other supply side issue could be that there is a decreasing quality of goods that we have, or there is a compromise in the service that we are providing, or something that is an issue from our end. So here in this particular case, the problem statement was that we were experiencing lower footfalls because customer preferences had changed and they were preferring to go to either competitors or shop online. And the reason was that we did not offer them all the channels available. So here were the three channels through which customers usually purchase. First is home delivery via an app, home delivery via phone call, or just physically visiting the store and buying, like the usual stuff. So our client was only providing the third option and not the other two. Hence, the client was facing a lower footfall because the consumers were going somewhere else. And here's how I solved the case.